today's video. Escape floor is lava for brain rots. You see this, guys? At my back is Titanic Lucky Block. So I'm gonna show you how to make a Titanic blocks. Are you ready, guys? So I did not have a video that complete to get this because it's hard to get. So I compile it. So let's see the video. Here we go, guys. So we have 3 huge lucky blocks. So we need this to build a lucky block crate. So how to make a huge lucky block? I will comment down it below. Watch the video it also to how to have a huge lucky block. Here we go. Wow, look at that. We get a lucky block crate. And the next is we will put a 3 lucky block crate. So here we can get a wow, look at that, guys. That is a Titanic Lucky Blocks. Oh, that is how you will get a Titanic Lucky Blocks through spawn machine. So guys, that is how you will get Titanic Lucky Blocks. So it's very hard to get because it has 50% chance to get and 50% chance to failure. If failure, it will be gone or it will be downgraded. So guys, please like, subscribe, share this video and comment below. Why should I choose you to be the next lucky subscriber? Comment your user's name also, guys. Like this game, join our Discord. I will put in the comment section below. If we hit 200 subscriber, I will give away maybe this Titanic Lucky Blocks or OP Brainrots level 200. So comment now your user's name and subscribe. That's for today. See you on the next video. Bye!